Okay, in today's video, we're going to be going over a real estate platform called Lofty. Lofty allows you to invest in rental properties for only $50. And by the way, I do a whole bunch of videos. My channel name is Dow Stock Talk, and I do a lot of videos related investing in finance. But I also go over a lot of investing platforms so you can end up tracking my journey to see how they go. But no further ado, let's look at this platform. So this platform, mainly as far as the properties, it's single family and multifamily. Now the thing that you need to know about this particular platform that's different from the other ones, like Funrise, Arrive Home. If you want, you can check the suggested videos. With this one, it's pretty much, instead of getting like the way the other ones normally work, is they normally have a property, they put it on the LLC, and then you get shares. But this one is one where it will be on the blockchain. So they would issue the tokens in the form of property. So then what would end up happening is you would have a wallet, crypto wallet, you can kind of think about it, and you would actually, the properties and stuff would actually show up that particular way. I hope I explained it pretty well, but I tried to explain it the best way I can. So they have two different types of, they have the newly listed, and they have the one that's, I guess, on the, you can think about the open market, meaning that it's already, they already issued it and people have already had the token, and the prices can increase or decrease. As you can see, this one's $49, this one's 50, this one's 54. And I'm just going to, by the way, if you guys have any particular questions, and if you watch the video a little longer, I can kind of explain that. So I just wanted to let you know, whenever you're dealing with this platform, know that it will be on the blockchain. So if you're not necessarily familiar with that technology, you probably, this platform might not be for you, but it's on the blockchain, and you have what you call a wallet. You can think about it as a digital wallet, where that if you wanted to buy the other properties that's not newly listed, you would have to transfer either three different cryptos in order to purchase the already existing ones. Now, the newly listed ones you can pay just by using your regular bank account, but the other ones, and don't worry, I'll go into a little bit more detail with the other ones that's not newly listed, then you have to pay with crypto, and I'll show you, or USDC, whatever. I'll definitely show you that. But let's just look over the location. So they got one in some property in Alabama. You can set that. Oh, there. They have, yeah, so in different ones, I'll just switch it back to all. But they have some in I was about to say Abraham, Alabama, Chicago, Cincinnati, Cleveland, Kansas City. As far as property types, they have single family, multifamily, and mixed use. Now, also they have it as far as COC, which is cash on return, and internal rate of return. That's kind of more so like property increase. And this is, you can think about it from rental income. So you can change it based off of, what you're looking for. If you're looking for a certain internal rate of return, or morally a lot more from rental property, you will look a little bit more in cash on cash. You have that particular one. Now, what I'm going to do is just click on one so you can see exactly what you see: the starting price, projected internal rate of return, cost on cost return. This is what they'll end up showing you. You can look scroll down, and they tell you a little bit about the property, one unit, the current situation and the time period, the location, property updates, and all of that. If we scroll up a little bit more, if you wanted to buy or sell, they have that. They provide financials as far as breakdown of costs and all of that. Well, 5, 10, 15, 30 years. They have that as well. Now, if we go to, they have some documents. Let's click that, see what kind of documents that they provide. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, accept all. So these are looks like the documents that they actually provide. Let's see. Well, let's probably take that out of the video. But the buying process, they show you the buying process. Lofty tokens are available to purchase. Once purchased, the token will be automatically sent to your I think it's like Algoro wallet, and it shows you token offering complete, and they just end up showing you everything about that one. Tell you a little bit about the Chicago area and book orders slash trade prices and stuff like that. But as we go back to, oh, and I forgot to, let's show some pictures. I forgot of the pictures that you would end up seeing. And these are, some of the pictures. And by the way, I actually purchased one, so I can show you my experience so far. So if we go to account, once you set everything up, this is what you'll end up seeing. As you can see right here, this is the property that I end up getting. Scroll this down a little, just had to accept the ownership agreement, but this is the property that I end up getting right now. Your cash on cash return 8.1%. This is what they kind of showed before. Current value and the current rent balance and the total rent I received. Now you have to remember, I just got this February 2023. So we are only looking maybe like 2 weeks or something like that. So it shows you the available account balance, the account value, available balance, the amount you got for rent, the total rent, how many properties owned. This one, property value, and estimated historical returns. This returns is calculated by using total historical rent collected by total historic unrealized property appreciation divided by the current portfolio value. So if we click this, like I said, this is the particular one I have. And let's see. So as you can end up seeing, let's look at the pictures. So as you can see, it looks like a single family one, but it might have 2 units. Let's scroll down. Details. Yeah, so it shows you all the information here. And by the way, I just got this one just to test things out, or whatever. So this is the one that I particularly have. I would classify it as has 5 beds, but yeah, single family. And they show you the information about it and all of that stuff. Okay, so next what we're going to end up doing, since I showed you that, we're going to show you the transactions part so you can see the whole. Actually, let's go with the balance history first. So actually, matter of fact, let's go with the show you the wallet part. So this would be the wallet that you would end up having. They do have it where for newly listed you can pay for it with your bank, but for existing property that's already the new listing already happened, you would end up having to transfer the money to your Lofty wallet in the form of, I believe, 3 different crypto, and I'll show you which one they are in. Yeah, let's click this. Yeah, so this is, like I said, it's in, remember, blockchain, the token. This is the particular token. I mean, and the token represents the ownership. And the thing about this one is a little different. Like, so I'm saying, you might want to be a little bit familiar with like wallets, crypto wallets, and as far as how the blockchain works a little bit. The thing about it is, if, like I said, for existing properties, you would have to transfer, this is the wallet address, maybe from Coinbase or something else in either USDC, Algo, I'm hoping I pronounced that right, and STBL. So one of those, and transfer the money into the wallet for existing ones. And I just wanted to show you as far as the transactions. As you can see, I bought one February 21, 2023. And as you look at the transaction history, or maybe I think balance. So if you see the balance history, it shows you the amount that they end up paying you rent each particular day. Small amount, small amount, small amount, but we know what the total, the total value is of the 16 cents that I ended up showing you earlier, which is, let's just give it a little time, right here. Now, they do have, like I said, like a referral thing where you get $25 and they get $25, but this platform is still relatively new, so I'm still testing it out. So I'm not going to drop the referral links in the description. But however, if you want me to just let me know, hey, I'm interested, can you drop the referral link specifically for your comments? But for this one, since this is something very new to me, I'm not going to drop the referral link, but I'll just kind of share my overall experience. They do have it where if you wanted to deposit money or withdraw money, if you want to return it, withdraw money in USD or within the USDC, you can do that as well. And when you can withdraw money, you can withdraw it from your bank, PayPal, or whatever you want there. Now, so they have the deposit, withdraw, so they have that as well, to give you. So let me show you as far as the buying process will work. This is one of the newly listing. So I don't actually have money in the Lofty wallet, so I just paid for just like with a regular bank. As this is the process, it's pretty simple. You hit buy. Okay, so once you hit buy, now I initially just paid with my bank. Oops, change that. I don't know why they always have that. The amount that you want. Change that to the amount that you want. One, preview, submit, and I'm just kind of going through the process so you would know exactly how to do everything. Not exactly sure why it's taking a little. Oops, yeah, and just like that, it end up going through. So, all right, so that's how that particular works. Now for the existing one, I'll show you that when I try to use the existing one and you hit buy, it's not going to allow me to do it, simply because you would need um, the crypto in that particular wallet, and I'll show you as far as that. And so let's go to yeah, so let's change that to 1 as well, and let's go to preview. You'll end up seeing what end up happening. It's going to say unable. See, you need to have the crypto in that particular wallet. So I just want to kind of go over that for you as well. If you have any more questions, definitely let me know. And okay, so we went over, I think I went over everything I would like to go over. Like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll definitely keep you updated as well. So now that we go to, as you want, the one this is the second one. So remember, I just purchased one, and I just have to accept the ownership agreement. Click that, scroll that down there, agree, and boom. So now I have two ones on there. So I'll just probably track these two. Remember, I'm more so doing this more so for like experimental purposes, just to track the progress of the portfolio and see how things go. They do have it when you can vote on certain lease rules, whether you want the rent to increase, decrease. But like I said, this is definitely a relatively new platform. This is one of the only ones that I've seen so far that it has it token based, which means it's on the blockchain. So they actually give you a wallet. They did have the ability where you can buy the property without having the money, the crypto, one of the three cryptos in there, which I personally did. But you can transfer, you just have to transfer one of these three crypto to the particular wallet in order to be able to buy anything. But for newly listings, they allow you to use your bank. And that pretty much, I believe I covered everything I wanted to cover in the video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments below. But that concludes this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.